Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Soundboard on Roblox VC Mobile. Using a soundboard in Roblox Mobile VC is basically the game politely telling you, no, you can't just uninstall magic audio buttons on your phone, and then watching you try anyway. I've tested this more times than I'd like to admit, and the reality is that Roblox voice chat on mobile only accepts real microphone input, no virtual audio routing, no overlay soundboard apps, nothing that makes your life easy. So if you're trying to run a soundboard, you have to go to the physical route. The simplest setup I've personally used is a second device. One phone plays the soundboard, while your main phone with Roblox VC picks it up through the microphone. It works instantly, but it also makes you look like you're conducting a very chaotic tech or orchestra in public. Another method is using external hardware like audio splitters or mixers that route sound directly into your mic input, which gives you much better quality but turns your setup into something that looks like you're preparing for a live concert instead of playing Roblox. Some games inside Roblox do have built in voice effects or limited voice tools, but those are rare and usually just basic filters, not full soundboards. So in practice, mobile soundboards are less app install and more DIY audio engineering project. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.